right, you can kind of see here the information screen. So it's going to tell you our engine load, what our coolant is, where's our hitch, we're riding the clutch, not riding the clutch, PTO is off, not going to be on today at all because we're just pulling a disc harrow with us, battery, how much fuel we're using, how efficient we're going to be, what our engine's running at RPM wise. Obviously we're sitting still, so we're at 0 miles an hour, but it's going to change as we start moving. And we can go over here to the info screen, kind of gives you just a different layout of it. Instant fuel, we're getting 2.5 liters per hour, kind of hanging out, sitting here. Another cool feature, go over here, pick some radio tunes. So if I'm doing any farming, ag work while baseball game, football game, something I want to listen to on the radio is on, AM, FM, switch back and forth. Super easy. Favorites list. I can switch from, this station to this station just with the touch of a button. Nothing too crazy there. And then right back to the home screen brings me there. Volume control here. We got the AC right here, or heat as we get into a little bit colder weather and it starts to cool off at nights, things like that. Nice cool climate control for everything. All right, so we're going to be running this disc harrow today. As you can see, it's up in the air right now. I'm going to engage my hydraulics, one of my first three sets, and drop it right in there. Now we're going to be running this in low, about 2 or 3, mainly for the purposes of the demo. As you can see right here, I've got throttle control. Oh, hear it kicking in there. And you can also see it right here on the screen as we rev it up. All right, and I'm gonna put it into, like I said, low here. So I'm low, got 3 places to change gears. This orange plus minus button here, right here on the joystick, or right back down here on my armrest. So whatever's most comfortable, natural for you, however you've driven a tractor in years past. Hey, good news, we've kind of got all those bases covered. So let's put this thing in the ground and let's start rolling forward. So as we're moving forward, going along nice and smooth and everything, hey, I don't want to look back, but old school says I got to just keep looking over my shoulder. New school says, hey, just hit a switch and it'll turn you that way. So nice and easy. As you can see, it's just cutting through this like butter. Tilling it up, getting ready for some food plots, winter cover crops, anything of that nature. And you can also tell it's pretty quiet in here other than my loud voice speaking. Making a nice little row or two, getting ready for, like I said, some winter crops, food plots. As we move into the spring, any of the things that you're looking to grow in your garden, on your farm. If you ever need a taste tester, just let me know. I'm more than willing to help out. I'm gonna throw it into 4-wheel drive real quick, keep it from kind of sliding a little bit. So this tractor comes with 3 sets of hydraulic rear remotes here. And like I said, just to engage them, we're going to use this to lower our disc harrow here. And now we're in the ground, we're good to go. Also, if you are running an implement like a tiller or something with a PTO, it's simply push down, twist the knob, and it's on, and twist back and it's off. Yes, and you'll notice we've got some great camera work today, and our camera operator is not me. See, 2 hands on the wheel. That's coming from our buddy seat that is in the HX series of tractors as well. So you and your wife, you and your grandkids, you and your kids, you know, want to spend a little quality time together, help spot out, have something to do, ride around in your tractor at night, gives you a nice little option there.